Hey, what's up guys? So just doing a little update video on the things I've done to the truck so far. Haven't really done much, but just the little LED lights on the grill, the Raptor lights. Replaced my my LED box for some auxbeam ones. I got the LED light bar on the roof rack attached to the roof rack. I basically didn't want to drill any holes on the side, so I just went ahead and I was able to find the brackets to mount it to the roof rack. Supposedly those brackets were only for the truck's year from 05 to 2015, but basically the roof rack was for the same. It was from year 05 to 2018 2019, so I just figured out they probably fit my truck, and they're steady, they're pretty nice. I actually took it into a car wash yesterday. It was like a touch-free car wash, and honestly I thought it was gonna fly off, but still there. So really steady. I will post a link to those brackets and the LED bar that I picked up. Well, I don't really use it much, so that's why I got the covers. In total I paid like for the whole setup under $100. Another thing, I went ahead and opened up my headlights and did a little, I customized them, you could say, I don't know. I think they look pretty sick. I did the whole thing under $20. Basically the paint was like less than $10. At Walmart I picked up like a black and white. It was like $4 each can. Got the halos for like $10 on Amazon. And yeah, I think that they look pretty sweet. I mean, if you want to buy some headlights, I recommend you try to customize your headlights first. I think basically the most scary part is just thinking about throwing them inside the what do you call them, the oven, you know. But it did take a lot of fucking time to probably took about 30 minutes to bake them. I was kind of afraid that it was gonna start melting the plastic, but it did not, you know. So if you're gonna get new headlights, just because, I mean, I like the black inside, you know. I didn't want the chrome shit, and I didn't want all that chrome shit, so I wanted to get rid of it, and that's what I did. Just remove the headlight and all that. And I didn't want to make a video because you got plenty of videos on YouTube on how to do it, but you kind of have to come up with your little own ideas, you know, like these little Toyota sticker. I have some stickers laying around, so I just went ahead and put the Toyota thing. Just kind of regret. I've seen some trucks where they put a little, kind of like a little sticker here, like a little Toyota logo, and I actually had the sticker, but I didn't think about it. They put the sticker and then they paint over it. You remove the sticker and then you could actually see it with the light. You could see the little Toyota logo, but yeah, I messed up. I didn't think about that. But yeah, I mean, if you're gonna do it, don't be afraid of doing this, because I was okay, should I remove them, try to customize them myself? They come out alright, then that's cool, you know. They get messed up, then I wanted to get new headlights anyways. So this project was for under $20. The only thing I regret is that I didn't throw some demon eyes in there. I wanted to get like the little LED switchback strip, like for your date running lights and your turning signal and all of that. So I don't know, one day I might just end up removing everything again and just try to customize them even better, you know. Throw some demon eyes and then the LED. You could do a bunch of stuff, you know, and it's super easy and simple. I mean, it's not really hard. Just like what, a couple of wires. The only difficult thing is that you gotta find where to get the wires through, you know, through the headlight. But once you're in there, you'll see, you know, it's nothing out of this world. So yeah, that's basically what I've done so far. I think they look sweet. Let me show you a little. It's a little windy. So. Look at that. And I was maybe thinking of putting the LED switchback bulb on here too for the turning signal. I might end up doing it, not sure. You got the little aux beam right there, a little bright. Got your nice little raptor LED lights for the grill. I think I've seen someone doing the little halos, the RGBs, I think that's what they're called. And they look pretty sweet. But I didn't think about all that stuff. I was like, okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and do this real quick. But next time, if I ever remove them again, I'm gonna take my time and just come up with something nice, you know? This is what I meant. A little light, they usually put like a sticker here. And then at night you could actually see the logo, like a little Toyota logo and stuff. So yeah, that's basically it. I'm just gonna pop the hood so you could kind of see. I mean, they're gonna look a little beat up, but you know, you gotta try to put them back together as much as you can. It's kind of hard to put this here with one hand. Gotta put this down real quick. These things are heavy. So that's how it looks. So this is pretty much a brand new headlight. You know, it's what been on the it's been like 1 year since I got the truck, so it's pretty much a brand new headlight. So the glue's still good. So I didn't put any, but you could always buy some. I actually went ahead and buy some just in case it was a little, just in case the glue didn't work. I think I took it out of the truck, but I picked that up for like $10 on Amazon. And here's a little warning about the LED light bar. Just goes through here, you know, some tape. Get like a little plastic tool. You just shove that freaking thing in there. It's all over here. And look, it comes out through here. Taps it to the positive, the negative, and through the grommet right there. And basically the switch, you know, you got your little switch and stuff right there. So I got another switch, but I haven't really had the time to throw it in there. Because this switch, you couldn't tap it to a fuse. So basically it's just hooked to the straight to the battery, so you could turn it on at any time. But if you use a fuse tap, then you could maybe tap it to a window or something, or when you turn on your truck, then you could turn on your thing. But right now you could basically turn on the LED light bar at any time, so it just hooks straight to the battery. So you got all your wiring here for the raptor lights and the halos and all that. Really simple, just grab a freaking Tesla and that's it. Yeah, but if you have any questions about this build or anything, you know, I don't call it a build, it's just a couple add-ons, you know, simple stuff to do. Don't be afraid of doing any of these things, you know. And if you want to go ahead and do this, just just look up on YouTube. There are plenty of videos on these things. You just kind of have to come up with your own ideas of what you want to do, you know, like this Toyota stick or whatever, halos or whatever, you know, you gotta come up with your own ideas. Yeah, that's it. If you have any questions, just hit me up. I'll try to post a link to a few of these things that I got going on here. All right, peace.